Starting off here with the weekly chart, Solana BTC. So green bars are Solana outperformance relative to BCC. Pretty darn good week, right? So holding that 9-week rising moving average with a tail, so putting in a pretty strong bid there. Even the daily's pretty nice on this one. Rising 50-day moving average. Yes, you had a deviation there prior week, but it's holding quite nicely and it's compressed under this trend line. So still hasn't broken out quite yet. Still relatively fresh chart from that perspective. So looking to see what's happening on Bitcoin. It was a pretty interesting week, right? So we went into Friday with kind of not really high expectations, as we had the declining 9 EMA on top and pre-market from legacy perspective, pretty big pump. So reclaim the 9 EMA and high of week pushed into the 50-day moving average. So all in all in the week, right, reclaiming the 9 EMA with a pretty big tail below. So we'll see if we're just range bound 40 to 44, or can we get some momentum out of this. Speaking of momentum, really, we have Fed coming up here on Wednesday, so there's the Q&A session, tends to move things around, particularly things like rates and dollar, and even stocks. So, rates still kind of pinned below 420 for the time being, DXY below the 104 level, more or less kind of mid-range, right, in this kind of 108-ish to 101-ish. So we'll see if we can choose a direction and really get things moving, whether for better or for worse from a risk assets perspective. S&P 500, nice little follow through on that breakout from last week, so pushed up a bit. Nice to see. So yeah, big week next week, more or less, riding on the Fed and how market chooses to react to the words that are spoken. All right, take care.